me which logic gates will be used to find a number which is present only once in a given array if all the other numbers will be present twice. For example, I have taken an example of this array. It has many elements. If you see 3 is repeated twice, 4 is repeated, 8 is repeated, 1 is repeated, but 5 has occurrence once only in this array. And we have to design a logic which will give us output as 5. Friends, you can pause my video here, take your time. Now let me tell you its answer, and its answer is XOR gates. So we have to do XOR operation as shown in a figure. So we have to do XOR operation on all the LSB bits, and in turn we will get 1 bit at the output which is shown here. Similarly, we will get 1 bit when we will do XOR operation on all the MSB bits, and this is this bit. Similarly, we will get 2 bits for these middle 2 columns after XOR operation. But the question is how we are getting 5 as a number which is present only once. Because we know as per the XOR operation, when XOR operation is performed on 2 similar numbers, it will give you output as 0. So now let us see 3 is present twice, here and here. So this one, when it will be XORed with this one, it will give you 0. It will cancel each other. Similarly, this one and this one. So when they are XORed together, they will cancel each other and it will give 0 as an output. So this one is cancelled with this one. This one is cancelled with this one. So only remaining one is here. So this one will come here. Now let us see the second column. So this one will be cancelled by this one, and other all bits are 0. So 0 will come at out. Now in this third column, 1 is here which will be cancelled by this one. So only one remaining is this one. So this one will come here after XOR operation. Now in the last column, this one will be cancelled by this one, and all the other bits are 0. So 0 will come here after XORing all the bits. And it is 5, which is expected result. Friend, with this I am going to wrap up this video, and I hope that it would be quite informative for all of you. And in future we are going to create many such videos which will help you to clear any difficult level of interview session. But for those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it, and to get the notification of all the videos as early as possible, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your support means a lot to us.